I'm Rebekah Meier, and today I'm going to show you how I created a trendy t-shirt scarf using my ScanNCut2 machine by Brother. To start, I need to ready the t-shirt by cutting off the arms and neck. I have found that the thinner weight, cheap t-shirts work the best. To help stabilize the fabric, cut a piece of freezer paper the same dimensions as the extended 12 by 24 inch mat. Iron the shiny side of the freezer paper to the t-shirt fabric and trim excess fabric. Choose the pattern from the menu. I used the straight line pattern from the border menu and rotated it from horizontal to vertical. I set the height at 23 inches and 0 width. I already measured and can get 11 strips set at 1 inch apart. From the toolbox, set the machine to use the 12 inch by 24 inch extended mat. Start cutting the strips until all have been cut. Use the spatula tool to remove strips from the mat. Finishing the scarf is super easy. Remove the freezer paper backing from the strips. Simply tie each strip end to end with a tight knot to make one long continuous strip. Tie the beginning and ends together and knot off. Loop long circle into smaller circles to create desired scarf length. To secure the circles, wrap the last t-shirt strip around the scarf to finish. Tuck the end of the tie back into the wrap portion of scarf. The scarf can be worn around the neck or offset on the side. I hope I've inspired you to make your own t-shirt scarves. Layer them to create a fashion statement.